How do I earn my living and how do dozens of Romanians and people around the world earn their bread? I, along with every member of the WOW community, who I helped and mentored to get hired, we are working today in jobs with responsibilities such as web developer, UI developer, or front-end developer. And all of us have started with or without any prior knowledge about the job. We practice day in, day out the WOWDO process and we got amazing results. Let's have a look at a few of them. 100% chances of success for all of those ones who practice daily. Let me explain. If you want to point someone out that practiced day in day out with us and didn't get hired, there's nobody to point out. All who make more than £100,000 per year income have practiced full time, and all who make more than £200,000 per year have practiced all day or couple partners. All members who went through the practice pre-interview and get hired process on a daily basis are now currently earning at least £50,000 per year. To join a team and practice daily, subscribe to Join WOWDO and apply.